I'm a little late with our panelists on that debate. I begin by apologizing to them for keeping them waiting. Subramaniam, sorry, but I'm sure they listened on to what Sri Ravi Shankar there was saying. It might give them some interesting points to open up the debate. Subramaniam Swamy, chairman of the BJP Strategic Action Committee, who has charged Amrinder Singh. It has no context to this, but the Congress party today called him a blackmailer and a liar. We are going to get Amrinder Singh to debate with you later, Subramaniam Swamy. Haven't succeeded doing that, so we won't divert from this debate today. Ami Yagnik of the Congress party, Pawan Verma of the JDU. Big smile on his face. Rahul Ishwar, thank you very much. Nobody smiles at me anymore on the news. You're not a politician yet, maybe that's why you're smiling. Dr. Ved Pratap Vaidik is an associate of Baba Ramdev and Prasanna Prabhu. Has been fielded by the Art of Living. He's their spokesperson. Thank you very much. So, you know what? Let's start with the Congress party. Look at your hypocrisy. Sonia Gandhi meets Imam Bukhari on April 2nd, 2014 to secure the so-called secular vote, which is tactical Muslim voting. That's all right. That's no problem. You don't complain to the Election Commission. Shashi Tharoor meets Christian priests of the Pentecost denomination, and he says that it's going to be Sunday. You tell the people, tell them to vote on clear religious tactical lines. That's all right. But when Sri Ravi Shankar or Baba Ramdev tell people to vote for a person of their choice without naming a political party, you go straight crying to the Election Commission. Why the hypocrisy, Ami Yagnik?
There is no hypocrisy, Arnav. We are on the side of the law. The nation is in election mode. There is a model code of conduct, and there is a very simple law that if your foundation or organization is registered under a specific law, whether it's a Societies Registration Act or whether it is another
what
act,
foundation
you
is,
have to follow that rule.
No, but what about Shahi Imam?
To that particular
what about Christian priests? What about the Pentecostal church?
You have to become a political entity. You have
is
to let
Shahi
me
Imam a
complete,
political
Arnav.
entity?
Everyone says that Arnav doesn't let anyone speak. Let me finish, please.
Is Shahi Imam a political entity?
Shahi Imam, our Honorable President went to meet him that the secular vote should not be divided.
Secular.
That is the constitutional mandate, and we are here for secularism. We are not saying anything, and it is not a secret meeting. You have covered it very elaborately on the your channel.
We have revealed it. We've not covered it. We've revealed it.
Why the Congress has filed a complaint with the Election Commission? Because a political entity can do all these things from the podiums and rallies and speeches, but a foundation that is on spiritual objectives, religious objectives, has to confine itself in the aims and objectives that is in the memorandum, either with the charity commissioner or with the registrar of society.
Which charity commissioner? Which charity commissioner? Which charity commissioner? Okay, now I think you've decided. I think you've decided.
The Honorable Apex Court. No, you have to hear me.
No,
the Honorable Apex Court in S.R. Bomai's case has said, do not mix religion with politics.
No, Ami Yagnik, now you know.
Constitutional mandate,
no,
which the spiritual leaders have to follow.
Ami Yagnik.
And that is the complaint with the Election Commission.
Now I'll tell you something.
That is the complaint with the Election Commission.
Nice. Ami Yagnik, you know, I am in a dilemma.
Please
first
follow
of all.
the law.
No, one sec. I am in a big dilemma. Just first, because you began by saying everyone complains, Arnav does not let them speak. And my defense only is that, but when I ask questions, the answer never ends. So I have to come in now. You know, you didn't let me speak. I tried to come in 4 times. So I also complain against you.
Everyone cannot be as brief as you
are.
So
my complaint is also against you tonight.
Everyone cannot be as brief as you.
Which charity commissioner did Shahi Imam register his activities with? Which charity commissioner? Name the charity commissioner he registered himself with.
He did not make rallies and speeches and going to places.
Oh really? He only has secret meetings with Sonia Gandhi.
That we are here for secular vote.
Come on
we
now.
are here for secular vote, and that was his opinion. Here are leaders who are claiming to be foundation.
No,
having yoga shivers and endorsing by way of
Subramaniam Swamy.
Books.
Subramaniam Swamy, by the way, Sri Ravi Shankar has said vote for a stable party with an experienced leader. You don't think Rahul is experienced and you don't think the Congress party is stable? Anyway, Subramaniam Swamy responding next. Subramaniam Swamy, respond there.
Well, Sri Ravi Shankar and Baba Ramdev have a fundamental right under the Constitution. There is nothing in the Constitution which says that sadhus and sannyasis cannot express their opinion. And since they have not even asked for a particular party to be supported, It is an inference of Mr. Arnab Goswami that he is referring to BJP. Now, this is causing neurosis in the
I make no
Congress.
inference. I made no inference. You're the one making
Well,
an
you
inference.
are.
Because
there is not a single statement of either Ramdev or Sri Ravi Shankar saying support BJP.
yeah, so I'm saying...
You're inferring.
No, 1 second. I'm not inferring anything. What I know is that Ravi Shankar Prasad, who I still hope you will not disown on the Newsa, he's the head of your party's media department. When Shahi Imam met Sonia Gandhi, he said it is a shameless attempt by Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi to polarize the voters. Election Commission should take note. So my question is, when you said the Congress party was attempting to polarize the vote bank shamelessly when Sonia Gandhi
Yes,
met Bukhari,
because
why did you not ask Baba Ramdev to
because-
refrain from publicly campaigning in political work?
No.
Why didn't you stop him?
No, he never campaigned for BJP.
Oh, really?
He never campaigned for BJP.
Did he not say,
Shahi
I will-
Imam
did he not say-
specifically mentioned,
That's completely
specially
wrong.
mentioned Congress
That's completely
and SP.
wrong. Completely wrong. He said it.
Of course.
He said it.
What?
He said it. Pawan Verma. I know what he said. He
What?
said, I will go door to door to campaign against Sonia Gandhi for Uma Bharti. And Shri Ravi
That's
Shankar
okay.
said,
That's
Lakshmi
an
Kamal pe hi
individual
बैठ कर
candidate.
आती है.
That's an individual candidate.
Pawan
I
Verma.
can tell you, Supreme Court judges have
You
endorsed individual
They are
candidates.
not merely exercising their right to endorse
in
any
Kerala,
party.
Justice Thomas in Kerala has endorsed a candidate.
So,
they are not
then
endorsing
don't
a
complain
party.
about them either,
Uma
right?
Bharti is a sannyasi. Uma Bharti is a sannyasi.
politician.
So another sannyasi is bound to support her.
She's the politician. 1 second. Pawan Verma. You know this.
So
is,
what if you
Pawan
think
Verma.
sannyasis can't be politicians?
there is a
Don't read the
model.
Mahabharata and Ramayana.
There is a model.
You have been reading Bible too long.
There is a model code of conduct. 1 second. Pawan Verma.
Decide between the two.
You want to use government to break the model code of
Then
conduct?
why should they decide between the two?
Pawan Verma.
Yes, Arnab.
That is what
Arnab.
is
Pawan
written in
Verma,
the
please.
constitutional
Pawan
mandate.
Verma.
Many of our spiritual leaders, I use spiritual in quotes, are people who deserve respect. Let us grant them that. But they have a core competence. Their core competence could be yoga or providing spiritual solace. When such core competences begin to be mixed up in politics, they guide us to what is the original cause for which they are the symptoms. The original cause, Arnab, is that this is the first election where perhaps on such a large scale, there's an institutionalized attempt to get the voters on the basis of a polarization of votes. That is the reason why each party, or at least the principal parties who are fighting to form the government at the center, begin to use God people and God men. This nation, Arnab, let me just add for you, the people of this country want to swim away from the islands of religious exclusivism presided over by Mahants and Mullahs to the secular dividends of the mainstream: jobs, housing, education, health, roads, power. But parties are using these godmen, and godmen are willing accessories to leave their core competencies and become accessories
Willing
to this
accessories.
electoral divide.
Willing accessories. Ved Pratap
because
Vaidik.
they don't support you.
It's not. We have
That
not
is why
sought
you are
the support.
upset.
Ved
We
Pratap
have
Vaidik.
not sought the support
You
because
have,
it's not
oh,
necessary.
yeah.
There is a model code of conduct. There is a very free framework for free and fair elections. Why should we divide the electorate in order to score an electoral victory?
No, I'll ask
and
that
once
question.
that is policy,
Oh,
once that
your
is
party
strategy,
goes on. Your party goes on talking about minorities.
We
Isn't
talk
that,
of minorities as if
creating
it's-
a division?
You're accusing me of that is a crime. We also talk of Mahadalits. We also
Yes,
talk
of course
of
it is a crime.
This is
Of course
not
it's a crime.
sir.
If it's a
we
crime,
talk of
why
minorities,
are you religious?
wrong. What
Why?
kind of
Yes,
Indian
you are.
citizen are you?
You are.
We talk
You
of
should talk
Hindus
about
also, we
Indians.
talk of
You should
Muslims
talk about
also.
patriots.
Please, for God's sake,
Yeah,
do
yeah,
not
I
send
know
the
that.
communal
I know
poison.
that. You are hankering for Muslim vote.
Not your akhada.
Oh yes,
I
of
give
course
an
it's a
example.
democratic country. Only
Please, for
sadhus
God's
don't have
sake.
rights.
I give an
Sadhus
example.
don't have rights.
No,
You're bankrupt. You're going chasing the Muslim vote, and you're creating division in the country.
We are chasing the votes of the electorate. That also includes Muslims. You have a unidimensional.
Oh,
view
that
of
is
Indian
what
democracy.
exactly.
Your only
The sadhu
concern is
sannyasis
to
also have a
penalize
right to
votes on the
right to
basis of a
express.
Ved Pratap Vedic. Ved
It's
Pratap
not
Vedic.
right. Arnab, it's
Yeah,
not
no, Ved
right.
Pratap Vedic. One
And
second.
you
On the
also
23rd of March.
Swami do great discredit.
Open debate.
Do
Rahul
great
Ishwar,
discredit
Rahul
to
Ishwar
Indian
and Prasanna
democracy.
Prabhu feel free to come in. Don't feel that the politicians will monopolize the debate. I'm telling you. See, this is what you are free to come in. 1 second. My question to Ved Pratap. Okay.
Arnabji,
Rahul wants to come. Yeah.
Arnabji, I am not a politician. But if you look at the India's history, you can always see spiritual gurus having social interventions. Hindu sannyasis and Muslim fakirs came together for the sannyasi rebellion for our independence. So always spiritual gurus are welcome.
No,
Having said
there
that,
is a model
don't
code of
just
conduct.
selectively target people. Why not? Hold on. Why not Shashi Tharoor sir from my constituency? He went and personally met the Pentecostal, which is a Pentecostal organization, and their own preachers. Why are not we talking about Shahi Imam? And I personally come from a Congress-oriented family for a long time. But it is increasingly become tough and untenable to support Congress because Congress only cares about Muslim votes and minority votes. They are not taking care of any other secular credential.
Yes,
How can Muslim vote be called secular votes? All Hindu or Muslim or Christian votes are secular
Congress-
votes. Why is
Congress
Shahi
is
Imam
only
secular
for
and why is the Hindu
secularism
leader communal?
and
Are
What
we
about the
not secular,
Catholic
madam?
Bishop organization?
Arnab
No,
ji,
the question is to Ved
Catholic
Pratap Vedic.
Bishop
Ved Pratap Vedic.
Council has
Are we all
also.
not secular?
Ved Pratap Vedic. Ved Pratap Vedic. Ved Pratap Vedic has not spoken, and the Art of Living spokesperson has not even come in. No, Ved Pratap Vedic ji, ये क्या कर रहे हैं Baba Ramdev? He has said that I would urge every one of my followers to vote for Narendra Modi in the next Lok Sabha elections. Patanjali Yogpith Trust and I have sorted out a plan, and we will be mobilizing 50 crore voters across the country so that the BJP can get 300 seats. ये कैसी cultural activity है? This is only political activity.
मैं आपसे ये पूछता हूँ
जी,
अर्णव जी, मैं आपसे ये पूछता हूँ कि बाबा रामदेव और रविशंकर ये दोनों भारत के नागरिक हैं या नहीं?
ये बीजेपी के लिए
दूसरा प्रश्न
कैनवसिंग
ये
कर रहे हैं
पूछता
कि
हूं
नहीं?
कि मैं इसका जवाब देता हूँ। कोई सन्यासी हो, कोई साधु हो, क्या उसको भारत के नागरिक के अधिकार नहीं है?
नहीं, फिर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की जरूरत क्या है?
अगर भारत के नागरिक-
मैं आपको उल्टा सवाल ये करता हूं वेद प्रताप वैदिक जी, आपके लिए मेरा बहुत आदर है, मगर मैं आपसे ये पूछूंगा फिर कांग्रेस और बीजेपी की जरूरत क्या है? इस देश की जनता तय कर ले कि या तो ये चुनाव शाही इमाम और बाबा रामदेव के बीच में हो रहा है, ये तो प्रॉक्सी इलेक्शन हो रहा
They are
है।
not running.
Oh, no, what do you mean they are not
But
running,
they are not
Subramaniam
running
Swamy?
for prime ministership.
Not directly.
बाबा
Of course
रामदेव
not. They
They want to win the
को
power.
कोई प्रधानमंत्री नहीं
They are
बनना
not
है।
running for office.
बाबा रामदेव को कोई प्रधानमंत्री नहीं बनना है।
नहीं, मगर बाबा रामदेव
बाबा रामदेव को
correct.
कोई संसद सदस्य नहीं बनना है।
नहीं, एक मिनट, 23
बाबा
मार्च
रामदेव
को
कोई राजनीतिक दल
चलिए
नहीं
दूसरा
चलाना है।
आर्गुमेंट है। दूसरी बात यह है कि 23 मार्च
ये
को
दोनों लोग भारत के नागरिक हैं, तो अपने नागरिकता के अधिकार का पालन करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे?
नहीं, मगर
ये आप कहते हैं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन के कोड का वायलेशन है।
No, one
Tell
second.
me
framework
how
of
they are
law and the
violating the
model
code of
code of
conduct.
conduct.
Is it not a good conduct? To participate in Indian politics is not a good conduct.
Yes, you become
Then
a political party.
do you mean to say politics why one should be I am supporting some people, I am opposing some people, and I am a free journalist. Do you call me I am violating the code of conduct? If violation of code of conduct involves my freedom to express my views, I don't care for that kind of code of conduct. And nobody in India who has some understanding of law and law of citizenship would care for such a code of conduct.
Prasanna Prabhu of the Art of Living.
Liberty of expression.
Prasanna
I
Prabhu,
would reject
respond to
that
the
code of
Congress
conduct.
charge.
See, so what I'd like to say first is that people from all political parties come to Sri Sri, they come to get solace, and that happens on an ongoing basis all the time. Second point that I'd like to make is that the inaction and the silence of good people is taking politics to where it is today. It is important that we participate. What's wrong with participating in this entire process? I don't see anything wrong with that.
No,
As long as we're not endorsing anybody.
No, but you are endorsing someone. Who are you referring
No,
to?
we are not.
let
Like
them
Srishi
endorse
explained to
somebody.
you
Why
clearly.
not?
No,
They should endorse somebody.
when you say Lakshmi,
We are endorsing many people.
No, when you say Lakshmi Kamal pe aati hai, who are you endorsing?
No, that
No
was
harm,
like,
no harm.
it was in a
Let them
lighter
endorse
way. That
everybody
Srishi
else.
was mentioning it to a
Whomsoever
BJP
they
leader,
like.
like
Okay,
he
so-
explained
Let them
to you.
endorse them.
No, one second. Both of you are getting very aggressive. One question. So suppose on March 23rd, Ved Pratap Veki, remember this. Now, I'll ask this question now. We'll go to a break and then you answer on the other side. On the 23rd of March, Ved Pratap Vaidik, you are very close to Baba Ramdev. You can ask him in the break. Ask him that when he was hosting Narendra Modi at the Yoga Mahotsav in Talkatora Stadium on the 23rd of March, 1 minute, I think you were also there. Acharya Govind Giri.
No, I was not there.
Okay, Acharya Govind Giri spoke about cow slaughter, appealing directly, therefore, to the religious sentiments at the rally which was meant for yoga. Okay, cow slaughter does not come under any part of yoga. No, I don't know why you are laughing, Subramaniam Swami. You are a lawyer, you should know this.
I'm laughing.
You are a lawyer, you should
I'm
know this.
laughing because it is there in the I'm laughing because it is there in the Constitution. You never read the Constitution. That's the problem.
Well, let me make it clear to you. The Model Code of Conduct says quite clearly that political events cannot be used to appeal to religious sentiments. You tell me today that was not
What is the political events? It was a gathering
yoga
not
workshop.
of politicians. It was a gathering to honor. Yoga.
It was a
is
yoga
not religion.
workshop.
Yoga is taught to Christians. So yoga
Pawan
is taught
Verma.
to Christians in America.
Pawan
It is not
Verma,
a religious
quick rebut.
thing at all. What does he know about religion?
Okay, I'll take a break. I'll take a break and Pawan Verma will respond on the other side. I'm only saying one more thing. Remember this, according to the Code of Conduct of Election Rules, which Subramaniam Swami does not want to talk about, a political party has to submit a detailed expenditure report. So when you use someone like Baba Ramdev, the additional expenses incurred by him do not contribute to amount to your total election expenditure. So what you are doing is, and my accusation there is, and I'm going to come back to you on the other side of the break. You are working around the system. I'm taking a break. I'm coming back. You're working around the system.